Hello and namaste, this is Manisha from the Innovate Aesthetics. I'm back with another video, again discussing about some tiny little bumps that can be seen on the face. I have just posted a photo on the beginning of this video. What are these tiny little white bumps on the skin? Usually it's present around the eyes, but it can be seen on the cheeks and other part of the face as well. Let's go straight to the point. These small 1 to 2 mm, it's really tiny bumps, which are usually white to yellowish, and they are usually blind, meaning does not have any opening, and they are usually present around the eyes, also on the cheeks, and when you try to squeeze it, nothing comes out. So the name is Milia. Usually people get confused with whiteheads. When you try to squeeze whiteheads, it has an opening, so something comes out. But with Milias, nothing comes out. It stays on the skin for a very long time. It feels rough on the face, and it's more is like discomfort. It's not painful, it's not itchy, but it's more discomfort when you touch your skin. So these small little bumps are called Milias. Let me give you a brief introduction about Milia. Milias are formed due to the keratin trapped under the skin. So now what is keratin? Keratin is a protein which makes our hair, nails, and also the top layer of our skin. It's found over there. And when the skin does not exfoliate properly, meaning the skin is not regenerating, there is some trauma happening, then the keratin get trapped under the skin, and that forms a tiny little cyst on the skin. Okay, so you know what Milia is now. So Milias are harmless, they are painless, it doesn't itch. So why does it bother you? Why do we have to remove it? It is because of its feeling, the discomfort on our face. When we wash our face, when we put on any skincare product, every time we feel it. Because Milias, they don't go away by itself, they stays on the skin without paying any rent. It stays on your face for a very long time. So that's why we need to get rid of it. And normally most of us have a tendency to itch or poke or just touch that bumpy area consciously and unconsciously as well, and we try to poke it, touch it, squeeze it, injure it, which might end up with hyperpigmentation or even scarring, and scars can be permanent if you don't treat it. That's why we want to get rid of Milia. Two treatments available, two categories for Milias. One is clinical treatment that we do over here, and one is home-based treatment. In clinical treatments, we use different clinical facial peels that can take off the top layer, and then we can lance lance meaning like take out the Milia one by one individually, depending on the maturity of the Milia. Some are very small ones that we have to let it mature, and then we can take it out later. But it seems an easy procedure, but we have to be very careful not to create any scarring or hyperpigmentation afterwards. So leave it to the professionals. Don't try to do it at home. Okay, so how do we take care of our skin? For those who have Milia prone skin, first is exfoliation, because exfoliation is the key to the beautiful skin. We all know that. but don't overdo, don't over exfoliate your skin. You can maybe do once a week, or if you can tolerate, maybe twice a week maximum. Okay. And the second is retinols, vitamin A derivatives that helps with the skin cell turnover. And for those who have milia prone skin, please choose light textured skincare products like serums. Even in moisturizers, you can apply light textured and not too heavy, and even sunscreens. Okay. And please remember to cleanse your face properly at night time. Okay, cleanse, you can do double cleansing. That really helps to keep your milia at bay. Okay, few things I would like to mention for those who have milia prone skin. Please avoid any heavier occlusive skincare ingredients like mineral oils, and also heavier eye creams that can also lead to milia eventually if you don't exfoliate your face properly. And also petrolatum, like this Vaseline products, like very thick products, please avoid that one. That helps you to prevent from getting any milias in future. The important message to take home is do not poke your milias. Leave it to us. We will take care of it professionally. If you try to poke it with needles, or if you try to squeeze it out, then maybe you will end up with hyperpigmentation, which takes months to treat. And the worst that can happen is scarring, which will cost you a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. And sometimes we cannot get the skin back as smooth as it was before. So do not try to treat yourself, especially injuring your skin for the milia. Leave it to us. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll make this same video in Nepalese language. Whichever language you feel comfortable, you can go and watch it. And if somebody is suffering from milia, or if you are suffering from milia, then you can contact us. We are there to help you and save your money. Okay, bye.